longer here at Cambridge Savings Bank, my official bank. You're the only thing that matters. Their goal is...
Intimacy is in maintaining a healthy lifestyle and in keeping your relationship healthy as well. So given all that's going on in the world, maybe it's your time to treat your ED. As a therapeutic practice, Northeast Men's Health is open. And unlike online pharmacies that just sell pills, we offer a variety of therapies to treat your ED, with success rates as high as 90%, which means you can visit our practice today and likely have sex tomorrow. Our practices are not located in hospitals, and you'll be taken to a treatment room immediately. We always keep our offices clean and sanitary, and we're booking appointments with social distancing as part of our protocol. For just $99, you'll get a consult, blood work, and if medically advised, a test dose. And if that test dose doesn't work in the office, your visit is free. Call today at 617-793-5000. That's 617-793-5000. Or go to northeastmenshealth.com. Bernardi Toyota is proud to reopen our showroom for all of your car buying needs and still offer the Bernardi Cares Price Pass, a completely online car buying experience. Plus, Bernardi Toyota has 0% APR financing for up to 60 months on all 2020 hybrid models from Camry to Highlander, all part of the Bernardi Cares Price Pass. Visit our showroom today or BernardiToyota.com. Your financing of select models through credit line, tax, title registration fee, and final stock fee. Prior to June 30th, 2020.
Nowadays, compassion comes in waves. Waves from friends on front porches, waves from loved ones in cars and through windows. Right now, at Blue Cross Blue Shield of Massachusetts, we're waving too. Waving mental health costs.
After promo rates line, absolutely very well guaranteed.
Have you?
Available to... Okay, but then your boss tells you to switch offices and...
Or call them at 866 Gold Line. They're waiting for your call. Don't wait another day as things become more and more unstable. 866 Gold Line. 1-866 Gold Line or goldline.com. Rhode Island's news, traffic, and weather station. News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM. WHJJ, Providence, an iHeartRadio station.
I'm Phoebe Wells, News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM. Here are the topical stories we're following. Governor Raimondo is looking to move away from the detailed industry-to-industry guidance of the first two phases of the state's reopening plan in the next phase. She said during her coronavirus press briefing on Friday that when the state goes to phase 3, possibly on June 29th, it'll largely be left to the people to do the right thing to limit the spread of the coronavirus. Governor Raimondo said on Friday that the goal is still to resume classroom learning for all Rhode Island public school students on August 31st, but said it's going to take flexibility and innovation to get it done. School districts are now being required to submit 3 different reopening plans by July 17th. Full, partial, and limited in-person learning, with a switch being made if coronavirus numbers take a bad turn. All 3 school reopening plans will have to include putting students in stable groups, and high school students will have to wear masks if distancing is not possible. Providence officials are taking a step to crack down on illegal firework use. The city is now requiring that firework vendors hold a sales permit at a cost of $50 annually, and separate permit applications are required for each place fireworks are sold. Get News 24/7 on demand at newsradiori.com.
He was grossly incompetent and a liar. I'm Dave Anthony, Fox News. President Trump tweeting more shots at John Bolton, again claiming his book has classified information.
It has nothing to do with making a profit.
He is very critical of the president he worked for. Democrats are very critical of Bolton for not testifying at the impeachment trial. He tells ABC News it would not have made a difference.
The way the House advocates of impeachment proceeded was badly wrong. I think it was impeachment malpractice.
Fox's John Decker has more White House reaction live in Washington.
White House Press Secretary Kayleigh McEnany firing back at former National Security Advisor John Bolton, whose new tell-all book will be available to the public tomorrow.
Now, John Bolton will be remembered as a failed national security advisor. He's a warmonger. He's someone who would have had us at war with North Korea and with Iran if it was up to him.
Bolton, in his new book, paints the president as stunningly uninformed and manipulated by foreign adversaries. A federal judge ruled Saturday that while Bolton's book can be released, publishing it without formal clearance from the White House has exposed the country to harm and Bolton to civil and potentially criminal liability. Dave?
John, the White House has just confirmed that Kevin Hassett will leave as economic advisor this summer. Now, the president has twice tweeted this morning the 2020 election will be rigged, calling expanding mail-in balloting stupidity, claiming that COVID is being used in order to cheat by using mail-ins. Speaking of the coronavirus,
On Sunday, the World Health Organization reported its largest single-day increase in cases, more than 183,000 in just 24 hours. More than a dozen U.S. states are seeing major spikes in coronavirus cases.
Fox's Todd Pyro. NASCAR is investigating after Nukes was found in the garage of the only black driver in the Cup Series, Bubba Wallace. This is Talladega in Alabama. Wallace had successfully pushed NASCAR to ban the Confederate flag at races. America's listening to Fox News.
Now, here's your Storm Team 10 forecast.
Another hot and humid week is ahead. For today, temperatures reach the middle 80s with high humidity. A mix of sun and clouds can be expected with a pop-up thunderstorm in the afternoon. Tuesday, upper 80s with mostly sunny skies, chance for a late-day shower or thunderstorm. I'm Storm Team 10 meteorologist Christina Ernie on News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM.
News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM. Traffic.
An earlier breakdown clear, 95 northbound at 117, but some road work there. Watch for in the southbound side. Traffic through the city looking good, both the 95 and the 610 connector. I-3 between Lincoln, 295, and the city, 95 and 146 north and south. Leave your southern New England traffic.
This report is sponsored by Speedway. At Speedway, they're here for you with just what you need, right when you need it. Their stores are stocked, their pumps are pumping, their doors are open, and cleanliness is their priority. So when you stop by, they'll be ready. The convenience stores of Speedway.
Hi, it's Bill George. Neighborhood Health Plan of Rhode Island cares about you and your health. To protect yourself from COVID-19, wear a mask or cloth face covering in public and maintain 6 feet of distance between yourself and others. If you're not feeling well, call your primary care provider. This healthy tip is brought to you by Neighborhood Health Plan of Rhode Island.
Feeling stressed? I'm Rosemary O'Brien, Health and Wellness Specialist from Neighborhood Health Plan of Rhode Island, with some tips to help you feel better during these challenging times. Take time to unwind by doing activities you enjoy, talk with a friend, and get regular exercise.
Someone to leave